Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Fresha booking link. So, of course, you may want to head over to Fresha and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on the online booking icon. And before you proceed, make sure that your store is already published before you proceed to the next step. And once here, just click on Link Builder. And from here, you have two options on which link you want to create. If it's link to everything or booking links for certain services, locations, or team members. Then once you've decided, just click on create link button. And from here, just start by customizing your link, add in and edit in details. So in this case, you can edit services that will be inside this link just by clicking on the edit button. Then just add in all the services that you want to include. Then once done, just head over and proceed by clicking on save and continue. And to get this link, just proceed by clicking on the create link button. And from there, you can now share this link with your clients. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!